Charlie Johnston, Gisborne, and we're just mixed, we're sheep and beef, lamb fattening, and bulls and grapes and cropping. You know, machinery's pretty expensive, so we make sure we look after it. Yeah, as you can see, most gear, everything gets put away. So yeah, during the season a little bit of gear stays out, but every night tractors and that all get put back in the sheds. So everything arrived in a truck, and it was all, yeah, it was packed in there like sardines, and it was all pretty easy. It was easy just to unload, and they had everything set the kitchen sink there basically. So little maps of how to put it together, bolts, screws, yeah, you know, a couple of spare purlins and all that sort of stuff. So they made up for extras just in case something went wrong. Bit of wood had a knot in it and everything, but no, we didn't have any problems there. The builders turned up, and there were 4 of them, and they just cut all the cellophane open up the map, and they said, oh, this is easy. I mean, the guys that put them up have done quite a few sheds, and they said this was by far the easiest. Yeah, it was just easy. Everything was there. They didn't have to go mucking around, and you know, we're not far out of town, but they said we don't have to go back into town to get parts and missing that part and whatnot. So yeah, everything was there, so it made it easy. No birds, big open spans, no poles in the middle. This shed's 15 metres in depth, so it's just drive in basically. You can pack it quite tight with gear. Yeah, it's built really strong, and yeah, working with you guys, it wasn't a problem. You ring up and say, well, we've done a bit of a fill in the corner, and they say, yeah, no, that's easy, do this, do that. Oh, this one's going to last a lot longer. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, just other sheds. Well, I suppose I should say it's a steel shed, and well, it's just, we actually call it the aviary because the birds live in it. And we're looking at sheds. Right, we've got to build a shed, and we go, oh, he's got a good shed. And so we drive around to that guy's place and get out and walk around, have a look, and where'd you get the shed from? And you know, Alpine. So yeah, and pretty much, you know, it's word of mouth, and they sell themselves really. So yeah, so no, certainly from where we come from, if I was to do another shed, I'd go the same again. Yeah, definitely. Can't have enough sheds.